Hello everyone, so welcome back to this channel once again. And in this video session, I'll discuss how we can perform the case insensitive search using SQL. So let me show you the example. So currently we have this data from, let's say, PF1. So you can see we have this data: employee ID, manager ID, and employee name. So in employee name, you will be seeing that there are mixed case data uh, present in different rows, like name 1, name 2, name 3, name 3, name 4, name 5, name 6. But the spelling, you can see some letters are in caps and some letters are in small, and means they are in mixed case. Now, if I go and just perform the query on this employee name, where employee name, let's say, like name. So you can see when I search for name percentile, it finds me only two rows because I searched with the caps letter. If I do this with the small case, I'll be finding only one. Now I want to find all of them. I want to ignore the mixed casing here. So the mixed case data here, I want to ignore them, and I want to find all of them because every employee name starts with the name. If you see, the difference there is the uh, upper or lower case letters uh, there. So what we can do, we have two approaches. So the first approach is, let's say I'm doing it with the small case letters. So what I can do is I can use the lower function, but I won't be doing this way. Just I'm showing you. So first thing is this one. So every employee name will be converted to the lower case and will search with this. Either I can do this. That's again the same method. Either I do lower or upper. That will do the same thing for me. But I don't want to do with this way because this again is an overhead because I have to translate each of my rows in the table to the uppercase or to the lowercase when I'm processing it or when I want to get the data. So I don't want to do this. So how can I do this? So there is a setting. If I want to write SQL RPG program, you can write that. You just need to write this query and you will be fetching all the data in a cursor, or let's say all the data at once, and that depends upon you. So what you need to do is you don't need to write this query upper or lower. You just need to do one thing. Let me take Shift F1, take option 1 to change the session attributes. So here are different session attributes that you can code in your SQL source as well, using the set option attribute there. So you do things like set option, commitment control, commit star none like things, and other things. So all these session attributes you can change in your SQL source member. So what you can do here is you are looking into this column, that is sort sequence, and here are different uh, possibilities, that is star job run, language ID, unique and language ID SHR. Just take F1 here. So we'll be using this one. The shared weight table that corresponds to the language ID specified is used. So what it does, it ignores the cases, and you can easily find all the names. Just did it. Jar. Just press enter. So you don't need to do the upper or lower case. It treats every character on a same note, and then it finds it does the thing for you. Now just remove this. I'm not going to use. I just changed that sort sequence attribute to the language I SHR, and just when I'm doing this basically does things. So you don't need to use any SQL function upper or lower to first translate your column data into upper or lower, and then find all the rules for the matching or the like thing. So you just need to do is we need to change your session attribute to sort sequence to the language ID SHR. Let me revert it back now. So you can do this in your code. So here, so what you can do is you can use set option sort sequence equals to language ID SHR and then semicolon to end this line, and then you can query in your SQL RPG program like select a star from this where employee name like this starts with the name. So you can find all the rows. You don't need to worry about the small case or the upper case. That basically does the thing for you. This one. So that's all in this video. Thank you and have a nice